Lewis Hamilton once had a cherry red private jet worth $29 million, but he sold it for just $9 million. The seven-time F1 champion used to fly around in his ultra-luxurious Bombardier Challenger 605, fitted for 19 passengers, hitting speeds of 850 kilometers per hour, and even personalized with his initials GLCDH. But in 2019, Hamilton ditched the jet, aligning with his views on pushing for sustainability. He now travels commercially instead of privately.